Rattan Resto. This property is an 8-minute walk from the beach, showcasing an outdoor pool and sun terrace. Rattan Resto is located in Lovina. Guests can enjoy the on-site bar. Certain rooms have a sitting area to relax in after a busy day. Certain rooms include views of the sea or mountains. Every room comes with a private bathroom fitted with a shower. A flat-screen TV with satellite channels is provided. There is a 24-hour front desk at the property. Bike rental is available at this hotel and the area is popular for biking. The hotel also provides car rental. Ubud is 46.7 kilometers from Rattan Resto, and Pamutan is 41.8 kilometers away. Gararai International Airport is 67.6 kilometers from the property.